ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. I hope you have managed to get some sleep despite of this rough weather that we have. This weather was not forecasted so violent as it is. We have now a force 10 to 11 from the southwest. There's a violent storm up to a hurricane. I expect this weather to remain like this at least for the next 6 hours, if not longer, but I will update you as I receive more details of the weather forecast. I also ask you to be very careful when you're moving around, since the ship is moving a lot. Please hold on to the railing, and the best thing is to try to find a quiet spot and stay still. Due to the weather, we have closed the observatory lounge on deck 14 forward, and as you know, elevators also have to be shut down because of the movement of the ship. We are proceeding with a reduced speed to avoid so much banging and movement of the ship, and as of now, you can understand we are a little bit delayed, so we just have to see how long this storm will stay with us, but we are proceeding slowly southwest. I will keep you updated with any news of the weather as soon as I receive, and I ask you again, please be very careful when you're moving around the ship and try to stay as calm or stay in one place if possible, and if anything to report, please contact the reception without any delay. That's all from me from now, and see you out and about.